Comparison operators. Comparison operators are also known as relational operator. The comparison operator in Java are is equal to, that is equality between two operands, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. This means that of these operators are A equal to B means A is equal to B, A exclamation mark is equal to B, A is not equal to B, A less than B, A greater than B, A less than or equal to B, and A greater than or equal to B. Now students, the next one is logical operator. Logical operator also called as Boolean operator. Boolean operands in Java, logical operations are and, or, exclusively or not, that are performed using the following operators. For and we use double ampersand sign, for or we use double pipe sign, then for exclusively or we use caret sign, and for not we use exclamatory sign. Boolean operators ampersand, double ampersand is used to combine two Boolean values for logical and. Same way for combining or operator we use double pipe symbol, for exclusively or we use caret sign, and for not we use exclamatory mark. Now student, the next one is short circuiting operator. Short circuiting operator, when we use the conditional and or operator, Java does not evaluate the second operand unless it is necessary to resolve the students. If first operand is false, in case of double ampersand, there is no need to evaluate second operand. Similarly, the first operand is true in or, that is double pipe symbol, there is no need to evaluate the second operator. Clear? For example, consider the expression x exclamation mark is equal to 0. That means x is not equal to 0 and y upon x is greater than 1. If the value of x is 0, then first expression x is not equal to result is false. Clear? As logical operator, double ampersand sign, that is and, result in false when any one of these operand is false. There is no need to evaluate second sub expression y upon x is greater than 1. Now students, the next one is conditional operator. The conditional operator in Java is also known as ternary operator. Using three operands, we use two symbols, that is question mark and colon symbol. Conditional operator, for the conditional operator we use two symbols, question marks and colon. See over here, the first one is Boolean expression, then question mark, then expression 1 and expression true. If your Boolean expression is condition is true, then this expression 1 will be displayed on the screen. If your Boolean expression is false, the second expression 2 will be displayed. They give here the example. Consider the next is equal to n percentage 2, that is modulus operator. N percentage, that is n modulus 2 is equal to 0. Then if this n modulus 2 operator, this condition is true, then n by 2, that is the true section, and it will be displayed on the screen. And if the n modulus 2 operator is equal to 0, that is not satisfied or false, so this part of the conditional operator be displayed. Over here they give the value. For example, we take any value over here n and the result becomes 0. So first part be evaluate, and if the condition is not satisfied, if the n percentage 2 and we get this 3 into n plus 1 that be evaluated. Now students, assignment operator. In Java, an expression containing assignment is equal to operator is generally referred to as assignment operator. Means equal to sign is known as assignment operator. We in previous examples of in Java, we take as the value principal is equal to 1000, then r is equal to 5% and n is equal to 2. So over there is equal to, that is the assignment operator. Over here they give the example as rate is equal to 10.02f. Clear? Now shorthand assignment operator. Java also support the shorthand version of assignment. It saves the typing time and it takes from the variable operator and its expression. See over here they give the some example a plus is equal to b. This means that a is equal to a plus b. Students, I again repeat it. The example of shorthand operator a plus is equal to b means a is equal to a plus b. Same way for this and the next expression. Clear? Now the next one is typecast. In some cases we may want to force the conversion that would not be done automatically. For this we can use what is called a typecast. A typecast is indicated by putting the type name in parentheses before the value we want to convert. Clear? Thus it takes the form data type and its expression. They give the example over here. This is the integer a. This is the data type integer. The second variable is another data type, that is b short. The b variable is from the data type short. A is equal to 17 and b is equal to short a. Means we can convert the a into short, that is short data type. Now precedence and associative of Java operator. Java has well defined rule for specifying in order in which the operator in expression are evaluated. When the expression has several operators, the operators are evaluated as the priority or precedence. So precedence order, when two operators having the different priority, then operator with the higher precedence is operated first. For example, in expression a plus b multiplied by c, so multiplication is having higher precedence than the addition. So b into c is evaluated first and then the result is added to a. Clear? Then next one is associativity. When two operators with the same precedence appear in the expression is evaluated according to its associativity. So associativity determines the direction, that is left to right or right to left. Here in this table they give the associativity of the example. Unary operators, plus plus, minus minus, that is plus plus means indication of addition of plus 1 in that variable. Minus minus means this indicate that one value minus from your variable. For example, a plus plus. A plus plus means a is equal to a plus 1, that is we have to include one addition in the value of a. Same way a minus minus means a is equal to a minus 1. We subtract 1 from that variable. This is exclamation mark, not, plus, minus and typecast. This associativity from right to left. Then for multiplication, division and modulus, this sign is incorrect. Over here we use slash. This is not a question mark. This is the slash sign, that is for division purpose. And this associativity is from left to right. And for the other one is as they give here Same way for the other operations. Now students, the next topic is control structure. In general, the statements are executed sequentially, one by one. In our previous program, we see the different program, that is call cost, simple interest, addition of two numbers, multiplication of two numbers. Clear? In that program, the statements are executed sequentially, that is one by one. Sometimes program logically need to change the flow of this sequence. The statement that enable to control the flow of execution as control structure, that is known as control structure. There are two types of control structure, loops and branches. Loops are used to repeat the sequence of the statement over and over until the some condition occur. Here the three loops are there in this textbook. The first one is for loop, second one is while loop, and third one is do while loop. Now the second one is branches. In branch we used if condition and case statement. Clear? Now for the control structure, here first of all the first control structure is branch. In branch we have to take the if condition. See, in this program, whether the number is even or odd with the help of if condition. Clear? So the first one is public class P7. Here the class name is P7. Open curly bracket, public static void main, string arguments, open curly bracket. Whether the number is odd or even, first of all we take the data type integer. In that data type we take the variable x, and in that variable we store the value 10. Now apply the if condition. If x modulus 2 is equal to 0, if the number divided by 2 and its remainder becomes 0, so we type in open or close curly bracket the statement system.out.println the number is even. Suppose over here the number is 10, 10 divided by 2, the remainder is 0, so it is an even number. Otherwise go to else, that is in second statement, that is system.out.println the number is odd. For this, say, go to first of all save it with P7 and then compile. If you compile, the exit code becomes 0. Clear? That means your program is error free. Then go to tools. The number is even. Suppose I over here change the number from 10 to 11 and now compile it. Exit code 0. See, the number is odd. So in this way we can find whether the number is odd with the if condition. Now students, the second one is loop. In loop, the first one is for loop. In this program, we display the number 1 to 10 with the help of for loop. Say, public class P8. Here the class name is P8. We save the program with P8. Open curly bracket, public static void main, string arguments, open curly bracket. Over here, this is your for loop. For, then round bracket. Here we take integer as a data type and take the variable I. The initial value of I is equal to 1. If I is less than 10, means 1 is less than 10, yes, 1 is less than 10, then go to the system.out.println. So I will be displayed on the screen, that is the number 1. Then increment of 1, that is I plus plus. I plus plus means I is equal to I plus 1. So initial value of I is equal to 1, and if we add 1, so I value is 2. If 2 is less than 10, yes. In this way we can Repeat the loop. Now save with file with P8 and go to tools, compile it. If you compile, see the exit code becomes 0, means your program is error free. Tools, go. See 1, 2, 3, we can display up to 9. Suppose over here I am taking less than or equal to 10, and then if we compile, so the number is 1 to 10 be display on the screen. Clear for the for loop. Now student, the next program is for while loop. The second loop is while. This program is, that is your comment line, display 1 to 10 with the help of while loop. Public class P9, P9 is the class name, open curly bracket, public static void main, string arguments, open curly bracket. Here I am taking integer I is equal to 1. Initial value of I is equal to 1. Then type while loop. I is less than 10 means 1 is less than 10. Yes. Over here I again, if I apply is equal to, so we can display 1 to 10. If the I value is less than or equal to 10, so it goes in system.out.println and it display, that is 1 is display on the screen. Then after that I plus means I is equal to I plus 1. So the value of initial value of I is equal to 2. Then again 2 is less than or equal to 10. Yes. So it will be display on the screen. Then again the addition of 1, that is I plus plus increment operator over here up to 10. Now save this file with P9 and tools, compile and tools, go. See, we can display the number 1 to 10 with the help of while loop. Now same way third loop is do while loop. The do while loop is, see over here, first one is public class P10, P10 is the class name, open curly bracket, public static void main, string arguments, open curly bracket. Here integer I is equal to 1, the data type is I, and in the variable I we store the value 1. Now do, we apply the do, then open curly bracket, system.out.println, first of all go in the statement and print 1. Then after that check the condition. So while loop is entry control loop and do while is exit control loop. So here while checking the condition, 1 is less than or equal to 10. Over here I am again apply is equal to. Then 1 is less than or equal to 10. Yes. Then display on the screen. Then addition of 1, that is increment operator through I plus plus. So the value of I is 2. 2 is less than or equal to 10. Yes. Then in this way the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 display up to 10. Save this file with P10 and then compile it and go to tools, go. See the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 be display on the screen. So here our 7th chapter is over. Thank you.